Hello everybody. So today we are going to make a spring roll Filipino style. We're gonna start with 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm using ground beef because especially on spring roll I like ground beef instead of pork. So we're gonna put some 1 onion chopped. I'll just chop all of my ingredients. That way, I don't have to take a lot of time. So, I'm gonna put some bell pepper, orange and red, and also carrots. A bunch of them, a lot of them, and green onions. If you guys watch my what we call this, we're gonna put also flour. We're gonna put 2 tablespoons. Flour will help hold our ingredients when we're gonna put them on the wrapper, lumpia wrapper or spring roll wrapper. So we're gonna put some black pepper. That's like 2 teaspoons. I'm using and then we're using adobo. This is a lot of ingredients with it already. Tablespoon of white sugar. Tablespoon of soy sauce. Teaspoon of salt. 1 egg. Sorry. Next, it's time to mix. We're just gonna mix it and then we're gonna put it in the wrapper. So we're gonna put some meat right here. Not a lot. And then we're just gonna roll it. Just like that. And then we'll spread some water. So that way it will stick. So that way we can make sure that our spring roll is cooked. We're gonna cut it like that into 3. Easy. So we are done wrapping all of our meat mixtures. So it's time to fry. So we're gonna fry right here. We're gonna deep fry our spring roll. So we're just gonna do like that.
Haha, 91. So that's how it looks now.
How to recall your dog.